Hello everyone, welcome to Vehicle Revolution's YouTube channel. We've been asked by many an F-Type owner to do a comparison video for the Project 7 style grills. That's our one, that's the cheap 3D printed aftermarket copy. Can you already see the difference? Just from looking at it. Let's go into more detail. That, as you can see, is warped. Not flat either, you can see the whole mesh is warped. The finishing is really bad, as you can see. Horrendous. The reason is, it's 3D printed. That's what will happen to your grill if you bought it aftermarket from one of those Far Eastern website platforms. Ours is CNC molded. We invested quite heavily in that. Extremely stronger, absolutely perfect, as you can see. The finishing is second to none. Absolute flawless. We retail ours at $649.99, including shipping, 2-door, express, fully tracked, 7 to 10 day delivery. That one, roll the dice, take your chances. I hope that helps. Give you some little bit more information. Yeah, look. Comes with the sensor holders. Did it? Right there and there. What one would you have? I know which one I'd have. Anyway, thank you for looking. And any questions, please feel free to either message us via our new WhatsApp chat portal on the website, through our Instagram _vehicle_revolution_, or through our Facebook page, or even through here. Be happy to help. Thank you for looking.